everybody, today I'm going to be removing and replacing my tongue jack on my livestock trailer here. I am not too happy with this one. It is really hard to move up and down. It gets bogged down. I've lubed this thing up and used all sorts of stuff, but just not working well. So I'm going to replace it with an electric tongue jack. And so what I'm gonna have to do, since this thing is welded in, I'm actually gonna cut this out here and hopefully get enough clearance to put the new one in. If not, may have to cut this out a little bit bigger. All right, well, I have no idea how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna use my electric angle grinder here, and we'll see if we can get this thing going. Yeah, it seems like it's biting into there. So we're just gonna go around, try and get through the weld, and then we'll knock this thing out of there. All right, let's see. I'm starting to make a little bit of progress. I've cut through around here. This side's a little hard just because I've got the latch here holding it to the car. I guess I can go ahead and put this thing on some jack stands or wood blocks or something like that. But I think I'm actually getting pretty close to where I can just hit this thing out with a sledgehammer. All right, let's get after it. Well, I'm getting close, so I'm going to do this part here, raise this part all the way out so that I can finish off going through here. I don't want to cut through that thing too. That's just more that I have to do. So I got this piece going up. I took the foot off, and so now I'm just gonna clock it up so that it can come right out. Just show you what I'm working with here. So I'm just turning the crank until this thing can come all the way out. I think we're about there. Might use my second hand here, but I'm just taking this out. Okay, the jack is out and the foot's off. So now I just need to continue cutting through this. I'm just using my angle grinder to go through there, and I've almost got it all the way around. And then after I do that, I can kind of grind away to get this pretty flat so I can put the new tongue jack on there. Well, it looks like I am getting close to getting this out. I just gave it a love tap with my little mallet here, my sledge, and it looks like it's moving. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can knock this thing the rest of the way out. We'll go back the other direction. Just trying not to hit it towards my car. Looking good, just trying to cause a little metal fatigue, and so that thing will just bend right off. I'm gonna use my second hand now, but you can see that we are almost there. Okay, there it is. This is what I'm left with. So now I just need to, just need to get my grinder and kind of clean this up a little bit. It's not quite as clean as I wanted. I guess I could use my angle grinder here too. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. I only got a little bit sticking up. But this should be perfect for my new tongue jack. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to get this thing in there. All right, so I got the top all sanded down. Got the nut thingies here, washers for the bottom side. I don't trust that as being what's gonna hold it all together, so I'm gonna get some nuts too. But here's the bolts. Oop. Butt connector for the cable that's gonna go on in a second. But yeah, let's get these in here real quick, and then we'll move on to the wiring. All right, I got all these bolts tightened up, and so now I'm just gonna put the foot on here, and I'm going to put it at the spot where it gives me the most lift. So all the way at the top there, just put this little cotter pin type guy on there. There we go, got the foot. So now I'm ready to hook up the wire and test this thing out. All right, got my battery hooked up. This is obviously not how I'm gonna be having it secured all the time. So I've got this turned on, off. You can see the little light turn on. So, motor's working. Got it going up, got it going down. It's much better than cranking this thing. And normally I'll have the little pad underneath there. But I'm gonna see if I can get all the way down to where it releases the pressure here from my jack. And there we go. Perfect. Okay, so there we go. We see it in action. Everything seems to be good up here. Nice and solid. I'm going to go ahead and put it back down for now, and then I will finish up my battery box and all that, but that's for another video. So hopefully this helped you out. It's really easy. Worst thing for me was just getting through all the old welds from the original tongue jack. So yeah, let's put this guy back down. And there we go. You guys have a good one. Talk to you later.